Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TO-U2 mini wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If your earbuds will not connect to your device, or if they are not pairing with Bluetooth or not syncing, or if you're only getting sound out of the left earbud or the right earbud, or if any other issues with connectivity or functionality can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Or if you just want to delete all of the pairing data off so that you can start fresh with a new device, this will work. All we need to do is have our earbuds inside the case, in the charging case with the lid open. And we're going to come in here, we're just going to, on this button here, we're going to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And once we go 1, 2, 3, we should see the LR icon show up on the screen. That means it's resetting. And then once it resets and it repairs anew, we will get into the pairing mode. We will get a smiley face up on the screen and we're done.